guys! Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, mag-prepare po ako ng pancit noodles in my own version. So here you guys, check it out how the way I prefer the noodles. So this is my all ingredients, and don't forget, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the notification below and subscribe and share. So let's go! So here we go guys, this is my ingredients for the noodles. I prefer this veggies, the green veggies, and the capsicum, and this is my chicken and my carrot, and this is my pork, and this onion and garlic, and this is my fat, my cooking oil. So here we go, we start our onion and garlic. We fry it. Yan na po guys, lalagay natin yung meat, ang chicken, tapos i-mix po natin together. Ito na po yan siya guys, yung chicken and pork na siya. Yan, I mix it together. So, this chicken with pork. Mix it well, and then we leave it until 10 to 15 minutes para maluluto po yung meat. Nilagay ko yung carrots, mix it together para maging yummy ang noodles. At nilalagay na po natin yung green veggies guys. Yan. At i-mix natin together. Lutuin natin yung veggies niya. Yan. We mix it well para maging yummy. Guys, ito na guys, nakalagay na yung capsicum. And we mix it together and we leave it for 5 minutes. Yan na po yung mga ingredients ng noodles guys. So ito na po yung noodles guys, final. Imimix na po natin yung lahat na ingredients. So mix it together. Ito na po yung final na sa noodles recipe. Ibang klaseng noodles yung ginagamit ko guys ha. Hindi yung gaya ng Pilipinas. Kasi mahirap yung noodles dito sa Germany. So ito yung noodles ko malapad. So i-mix natin together. And we leave it for 5 minutes para ma-absorb po yung lasa ng meat sa noodles. And mix it well together. And mix it well properly until makomplete na siya guys. Yan na siya guys ha. Ito yung recipe ni Ruth in my own version. Yan na guys, so looks so yummy. So ito na po yung final noodles ko guys, and ready to eat and serve for lunch. So here we go guys. Thank you for watching and see you for the next vlog. Bye.
Girl, it's been a while since I